Welcome to the Web Application Monitoring Setup Guide. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up web app performance monitoring using the Every Step scripting tool. For this example, we'll record a shopping cart transaction on Amazon. To begin, I'll create a new device using the Every Step scripting tool. First, I'll enter the starting URL for the recording. You can configure user behavior emulation settings here, but for this video, I'll use the default settings. Once the page loads, the tool automatically begins recording all actions as you navigate the site. Next, I'll use the search function to find an item and add it to the cart, making the script more realistic. At each step, I'll also add keyword validations. To do this, simply select the desired text on the page, right-click, and choose Keyword Validation. This adds a step to the script that verifies the selected content appears on the page. In general, it's best practice to add keyword validation before each navigation step. This ensures the correct content has loaded and that the next action only runs after the page is fully rendered. Now, I'll stop the recording. The tool will prompt you to replay the script. I recommend not skipping this step, as it helps confirm that everything was recorded correctly. Once verified, I can save the script to the device. As you can see, the script is automatically embedded into the monitoring device and can be edited at any time. Now, I'll save the device and allow the system to begin monitoring. To review performance metrics, I'll open the online report from the device menu. From there, you can select a monitoring location and view a detailed waterfall chart showing how each element loads. You can also watch a playback of the script execution to see the experience from a real user perspective. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our sales or support team or explore our knowledge base for more detailed information. Thank you for watching.